Hi guys, and welcome back to RRC. In this video I wanted to show you a very cheap lighting system that I'm going to attempt to fit to the Bruder A60H earth mover. So here is the lighting kit. You didn't quite see that. There you go. Comes with 12 LEDs, the holders that hold the LED bulbs in, the control box, and some wiring for you to connect to the radio receiver. So what else have we got here? Yeah, power connection, control connection, accessories parcel. I think that's just the sticky pads, and it goes through the setup. It is from China. It's not very good English on the back of it, guys, so it's sort of one of them. Just pick the bones out of it and make it work. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do, is get that working. Now what I've already done with this is fitted the yellow flashing light there, which is quite good. So I'm also going to integrate that with the radio gear too. So the only problem that could be a potential problem is basically where the lights go. The little holders for the LEDs, because these are slightly offset, they don't fit quite well. These two in the front do, but these two side ones don't. So just gonna have to see what I can do with that. But for now, I'm going to concentrate on getting this set up and work and see exactly what it does. Well guys, I took these all off the packet, and basically what you get is a on and off switch. The controller, which is there. You get what we got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5mm white LEDs, and you get 2 blue 3mm LEDs, 2 3mm red LEDs, and 2 3mm orange LEDs, and this here is the control lead, power lead. So let's get this together and actually see what happens. So it comes with a little diagram here. I suppose you can do this anyway. Mine's probably going to be slightly different from this, but for this purpose of this video, just to get them lighting up and seeing what we can do with it, we'll go with this one. So guys, I'm just plugging the lights into the corresponding colours of the bulbs, or the LEDs, sorry, to the controller. I'm just connecting LEDs 7 to 12. So I've connected the push switch, which I assume just applies power to that. It doesn't really say. So I'll continue getting the LEDs in, and then we'll get it powered up. Okay guys, they're all sort of in there. Forgive the crude setup method, but just to get an overview of what they do, these lights, apart from light up obviously, and see what they look like. So I've just got a battery pack just made up, just to just for setting things up just like this. So let's see what happens. So I'm assuming that we can just put power in there, see what happens. Okay guys, there's the lights lit up. I think this switch here that I showed you before, I assume was an on and off switch, but I think it's just going to be for going through different modes. So there we've got the orange and the red flashing on both sides there. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. So that's, and the blue light permanently on. And click it again, and that looks like all the lights are static, they're all on that mode. I think it actually tells you different modes. So yeah, position, well, mode 1 is all lights, LEDs on. Number 2 for the front car LEDs and the white LEDs flashing, so that must be the next one. There, so just all the front white LEDs flashing, and the rear orange and red, and the, obviously you can see there the whites are still on. So we press it again. I think there's 4 modes, just the third mode. So they're all permanently on again. 4th. Yeah, very limited guys, but you know, that's the very cheap unit, but it's just to give you the effect of some lighting on the rig, which will hopefully be quite good. As I say, I might change them slightly, but you know, you can imagine with them fitted in there, it'll look quite good. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. In the next video, I'll be fitting it into the unit and getting on with that. So it was just a quick video to show you what I'm proposing to do with the A60H, just to improve it with the additional lighting. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.